Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone reminders not working in iOS 17. Your iPhone becomes a lifesaver when it reminds you about important days, meetings, tasks, etc. So it can be frustrating when your iPhone's reminders app is not working as expected. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix reminder app not working on your iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number one is check notification settings for reminder app. If the notification settings for the reminders app are disabled, you might be thinking that the reminder app is not working on your iPhone. Let us ensure that this is not in the case. So you have to open the settings and simply tap on the notifications. Scroll down until you see reminder. Tap on it and you have to make sure that the allow notifications are enabled. Also, you can customize your notification from banner style, sounds or badges. After this, then if you restart your iPhone, since we are sure that notifications are turned on for the Reminders app, let us move on and restart the iPhone. A restart generally fixes small temporary glitches that an iPhone or iPad gets during regular use. So you have to restart your iPhone to open the settings and then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to turn off and then turn on reminders from iCloud. Reminders are synced via iCloud to all your Apple devices. Sometimes it develops temporary problems and stops functioning correctly. To fix this, let us turn it off and then back on from iCloud. To do this, you have to simply go back and open your iCloud. Tap on iCloud. Now tap on Show All and you will see option reminders. Simply turn it off. Wait for a few seconds, then tap on delete from my iPhone and then turn it back on. So guys, after this and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update the latest iOS version. Several bugs are fixed with the each iOS update. You have to make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the settings and tap on the general, tap on software update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do delete reminders app and then install it. If still your reminder app is not working on your iPhone, try deleting the app and installing it. To do this, you have to simply tap and hold on the reminder app and then tap on this, then tap on delete app and delete it from your iPhone and then install it from the App Store. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone reminder not working on your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.